Braadkyaas Jamiekan now give the news in the Jamaican language.
People, wagwan. This a Kadeen Marshall and me go give the news rundown in a Jamaican. First, me give the headline them. The Ministry for Health said them start tests for the BA2 subvariant at the Omicron strain for see if it out here. Jamaica get 24,000 bag of fertilizer, will cost 122 million from the Kingdom of Morocco. One student who go pop in high school dead after him get shot pan Ligani Avenue in a St. Andrew. St. George's College beat Kingston College 67-52 in the Issa urban area under 19 basketball competition Monday. Now for the full tour of them. The Ministry for Health said them start tests for the BA2 subvariant at the Omicron strain for see if it out here. According to Dr. Melody Ennis, who run the Family Health Service, the country can now test for the subvariant with them genome sequencing machine them. But so far, them not see what the new variant out here. COVID-19 cases go up in Europe and them say at the BA2 subvariant cause it. On top of that, Dr. Ennis said the amount of people who are get them first shot are go down in the country. She said last week, only 6,562 people come take the vaccine. Jamaica get 24,000 bag of fertilizer, will cost 122 million from the Kingdom of Morocco. Pernell Charles Jr., who are the Minister for Agriculture, said this yesterday, and him said the ministry glad for this cause fertilizer short in the country. On top of that, the Kingdom of Morocco are going to help some of the staff in the ministry pan how to get soil fertile. Mr. Charles said I'm glad for the fertilizers because Russia are the world's biggest producer of fertilizer and them could get none because of the war we are going between them and Ukraine. One student who got pop in high school dead after him get shot pan Ligani Avenue in a St. Andrew. The police said them think gunman robbed the student then kill him. The student, a Nyuuz Williams, who did in a grade 10. The police say some man in a one car shot him, but them can't give out no more information. But senior superintendent Marlon Nesbet say him know the student did a walk pan the road when them shot him. One student who got Excelsior High School in a hospital after somebody stab him up. This is the third incident we're going with school picnic in a 3 day. The school not put out no information yet, but reports are said the student in a grade 11 and him in a hospital now and one another male student stab him up. Monday gone, one student who got the William Nib High School stab and kill one another one over one gathering. The Alpha-Tree police are asked to everybody help for know who one man be after them find him dead body pan Tavistock Terrace in a St. Andrew on Friday, March 11. The police said the body looked 5 feet 8 inches long and him slim and brown. Him did have one grey shirt and black pants. The police said them find the body after people tell them say shot a bus. Him did get shot in him head. The Alpha-Tree police asked anybody who can tell them who the man be for call them pan 876-926-8184, Crime Stop pan 311-119 are the nearest police station. Now for sports. St. George's College beat Kingston College 67-52 in the Issa urban area under 19 basketball competition Monday. Kevin Gale lead the way for Georges with 31 points and 9 rebounds, while Mordecai Clark scored 19 points and 19 rebounds for Kingston College. Woolmer's boy beat Excelsior 47-45 in the other game we play. Me name Kadeen Marshall and that are the news rundown in a Jamaican.
Braadkyaas Jamiekan just give the news in the Jamaican language.